Another day might even end every day that I wake to mountains of regret. So I tell myself it's okay day after day to make all these surrenders today. You can handle yourself. I know I'm wasting my breath as I inhale. I know I'm escaping my death as I inhale. Carrying all my suffocated my lungs to
Welcome back to another drift vlog. We got the Driftstang here. I'll just check my oil. But yeah, no, I just whatever left to fill my tank up, and we should be ready to hit the road. I checked my oil, and once I set up my tire pressure, I think we'll be good to drive about an hour. All right, so the back ones I usually will set to around 35 if I am drifting, but for today, since I have to drive an hour and it's rainy, I think we're gonna drop it down to 30, and then we'll adjust it when we get there. All right, into about 30. Alrighty, we have arrived first. So I'm gonna get a few things on the Driftstang, making sure they're all good to go. I don't want it to be like, I don't want to get going with it and then realize that I have too much body roll to transition. That's what I'm most scared about. I don't know, bro. When I'm fucking, hopefully that harness helps
Dude,
me.
this is slick right here, so you build a.
I guess it's my turn to get embarrassed. I got a new like harness strap, so hopefully it'll keep me. Oh, there's so much dirt. Fuck. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try it. What are you beeping at? No seatbelt. No shit, no seatbelt. We got a harness. Bro, I fucking had it and then I got excited about having it. What the fuck? Excuse me, get the fuck out of my grill, please. Alright, yeah, so we're doing good. I haven't touched anything just because it's a little wet and I want to get a more grip. And it is a Mustang. I have 30 on all four right now, and that seems to be doing pretty good. The only issue that I am running into right now is that when I go into a corner, I feel like my angle's maxing out. Another thing I want to double check is that I'm not rubbing on anything, because if I'm rubbing and I pop a tire, then that would be really fucked up. But we should be pretty good with that. I don't know if I might have to raise the PSI or lower it actually to get more grip. So I don't know. We'll see. did good. Okay, I understand what I'm doing wrong. I understand. I'm clutch kicking it way too hard. I'm way too hard. Because then I instantly fucking spin out. I just gotta fucking slow it the hell down. Got it. I'm gonna go one more time and then let everyone else go.
Oh shit! You almost
I
had
count,
that, bro.
I
You
count.
almost had that shit. Little 360 was lit. I thought you were gonna go off though.
I thought I was too. Alright, I'm gonna just back it up. We're just gonna go ahead and back it up.
It was all calculated perfectly. Bro.
I actually wanted to do that. There's a big ass pothole, watch out. You're good. See, that's the exact problem that I was having. I had not enough angle. You're doing too much. You gotta go and then transition in. Like you're sliding back and forth and you're flooring it at the beginning. Just slow down a little bit. I mean, I'm not like an expert, but that's what I did. Oh shit! You were doing good. You gotta give him more gas coming out of the manji. That was pretty sick. That was pretty sick.
I think I was in the mud, bro. Oh shit!
Ah! I bet I cracked my tail light.
Fuck! Nigga, he didn't hit it? He didn't hit it? Built for it, Todd. Dude, this thing will survive fucking anything!
Okay, go. Oh my god, the inches. Actual inches. You're winning. Bro, fucking inches. Whatever. I will take this fucking any day over a totaled car. I bet that'll be a fucking interesting video. Okay, I'm gonna turn my car off and just mentally calm down. Oh. Oh. Stand up, stand up. Motherfuckers kicking rocks on my leg. You're going too fast. A little bit. Yeah, let's try again. Is he gonna leave?
Slow down. Hey, if he goes first, I can probably slow down.
Okay, you go first, you go second, I'll go last. Alright, let me turn around. A little bit. I am too. But we'll be fine.
Don't hit me.
I'll try not to. I'm fumbling the bag. My hands are so... Yeah, we really are, bro. My hands are so numb. You're out? Ah. Come on, one more. One more. One more. One more. I'm going to keep hitting it. I want to hit it one more time.
Go hit it.
Okay. That was pretty good. Let's see if we can do it again. Oh, way too hard. Way. I don't know why it went. It went. What the fuck? Why did it do that? Why did it go? I didn't want it to do that. You know I love you guys, right?